Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today we are diving into the world of unit testing with NUnit in C Sharp and .NET. In this comprehensive tutorial series, we are going to guide you through the entire process of writing effective unit tests for your C Sharp application. You may have heard the term unit testing before. But let's clarify what's crucial. In the dynamic world of software development, writing clean, reliable, and bug free code is fundamental. And that's where unit testing comes in. Unit testing helps ensure that each component of your code functions as expected, preventing costly issues down the road. Here we have some benefits of unit testing: ensuring code correctness, simplifying debugging, enhancing code maintainability, facilitating collaboration among developers. Our goal in this tutorial series is to equip you with the knowledge and skills you need to confidently write and maintain unit tests for your C Sharp project, whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your testing skill. This series has something for you. What we'll cover in this tutorial. In this series, we will cover a wide range of topics, including setting up your development environment, writing and organizing unit tests using NUnit, using assertion to validate results, handling exception, diving into more advanced topics like mocking and dependency injection, and even integration unit tests into your continuous integration workflow. By the end of this series, you will be well on your way to becoming a more confident and skilled developer. You will know how to ensure the reliability and correctness of your code, ultimately leading to more robust and maintainable software. To get started on this exciting journey, you will need a few essential tools and a willingness to learn. Don't worry, we will guide you through every step. You will need just a couple of tools to get started. A code editor such as Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code, the Unit framework, and NUnit test adapter. We will install this in the next part. As a prerequisite, it's helpful to have a basic understanding of C Sharp programming, but if you are new to C Sharp, that's okay. You can follow along and learn as we progress through the tutorial. So if you are ready to embark on your journey into unit testing with NUnit, stay tuned on the next part where we will set up our development environment and write our very first unit test. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Vidcode's channel for more tutorial on C Sharp and software development. If you have any question or topics you would like us to cover, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next part. Happy coding!